Hi everyone, so in today's video we're going beneath the surface of the ocean to talk about something that sounds simple, but actually protects marine life worldwide, the Declaration on Anti-Fouling System, also known as the AFS Convention 2001, adopted by the International Maritime Organization, IMO. This declaration may look like a small document, but it plays a huge role in keeping our seas clean and ensuring ships operate efficiently and sustainably. What is anti-fouling? All ships face a natural problem called biofouling, where barnacles, algae, seaweed, and marine organisms stick to the hull. When these organisms accumulate, the ship becomes heavier and slower. According to the IMO, a fouled hull can increase fuel consumption by 30 to 40%, because the ship has to work harder to move. That means higher fuel cost, more greenhouse gas, GHG, emissions, more pollution. So anti-fouling systems, basically special marine coatings, are applied on the hull to keep it clean and smooth. Before the 2000s, ships used a dangerous chemical called tributyltin, TBT, in their hull paint. It was extremely effective at killing barnacles, but it also poisoned the ocean. Scientists discovered that TBT caused deformities in oysters, collapse of shellfish populations, toxic contamination even 20 kilometers away from ports. Because of this, IMO banned TBT through the AFS Convention 2001, making it illegal for ships to use harmful anti-fouling paints. The International Convention on the Control of Harmful Anti-Fouling Systems on Ships, or AFS Convention 2001, is a global law under the IMO. It entered into force in 2008. Today, the convention covers more than 90% of the world's shipping tonnage, meaning almost every large vessel must comply. Its purpose is simple: ban harmful anti-fouling paints, regulate what type of coating ships can use, protect marine ecosystems internationally. Malaysia also enforces this through Jabatan Laut Malaysia, Marine Department Malaysia, under the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952, MSO. Under Regulation 5 of the AFS Convention, ships must carry one important document, the Declaration on Anti-Fouling System. This declaration confirms the ship does not use any prohibited substances, like TBT or cybutrine, the type of anti-fouling coating used, the date and location of application, the manufacturer and shipyard information. It must be signed by the shipowner or operator, and supported with evidence such as invoices or certificates from coating manufacturers. Ships 400 GT and above on international voyages must carry this declaration. Larger ships may be issued an international AFS certificate, authorized by class societies such as Class NK, DNV, Bureau Veritas, or Lloyd's Register. Let's take a simple example. A Malaysian flag tanker above 400 GT must carry this declaration. Who issues it? Jabatan Laut Malaysia, or a recognized organization, RO, like Class NK or DNV, acting on behalf of Malaysia. During inspections, port state control officers can check this document to make sure the hull is coated with safe, approved materials. For this video, the example ship used is Boiler, an oil tanker of 28,927 GT registered under the Malaysian flag. Because Boiler exceeds 400 GT and operates internationally, it is legally required to carry a declaration on anti-fouling system or an international AFS certificate. This declaration verifies that Boiler's underwater hull coating does not contain banned substances such as TBT or cybutrine, and that the coating was applied according to IMO standards. The document for Boiler would be issued or endorsed by Jabatan Laut Malaysia or a recognized organization, RO, like Class NK, acting on behalf of the flag state. Pollution originating from land-based sources, including agricultural runoff, plastic waste, and industrial discharges, accounts for approximately 80% of total marine pollution. Ports that were once heavily polluted are now recovering. Fish stocks and shellfish populations have increased. This shows that strict maritime rules, when implemented properly, really do make a difference. In 2021, the Marine Environment Protection Committee, MEPC, through Resolution MEPC.331/76, banned the use of cybutrine in anti-fouling systems. Modern ships now use silicone-based hull coatings, polymer films, non-toxic foul release systems. These coatings are safe for the ocean and reduce fuel consumption by up to 9% annually, DNV, 2023. As we know, Port State Control, PSC, has the authority to inspect a ship's hull, check the declaration on AFS, detain or penalize a ship if it's non-compliant. Example, in 2020, a vessel in Sydney Harbour was fined 120,000 Australian dollars for illegal TBT residue. In Malaysia, under MSO 1952, a vessel can lose clearance to depart until compliance is confirmed. In summary, the Declaration on Anti-Fouling System is more than a document. It's a global commitment to protect marine life, reduce pollution, and ensure ships operate efficiently and responsibly. A clean hull doesn't just save fuel, it protects the health of our oceans for the next generation.
That's all for a video. Thank you. See you in the next video.